Hi friends, welcome to Angie's Kitchen. I'm sure when you hear French pastry, you think of something decadent that you wouldn't in your wildest dreams ever attempt to make. Well, my friends, today I'm teaching you how to make a pate A Choux, or more commonly known as cream puff or eclair dough. Not to worry, because this is one of the easiest pastries you'll learn how to make. I learned pate A Choux one day while watching Food Network, and I was shocked at how easy it looked. So I tried it and I was pleasantly surprised with the results. I'm going to share how you can make this at home with simple ingredients and not a ton of work. Pate A Choux is fantastic to master because this is one basic recipe. You'll open up the floodgates to other pastries from sweet to savory. Now, I'll walk you through the sweet version, which is my favorite, and we're going to make cream puffs. Yum! First, combine half a cup of unsalted butter cut into 8 pieces, half a cup of water, half a cup of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Then mix to combine and bring to a simmer. Once simmering, reduce heat to low and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and fully mix the flour in and keep stirring until you form a thick dough. Begin mashing the ball of dough against the sides and bottom of the pot for about 1 minute to gently cook the flour. Transfer to your mixing bowl and allow the dough to cool for about 5 minutes. Begin mixing the dough on low and grab 4 beaten eggs and slowly pour in 1 egg's worth at a time, waiting 30 seconds in between each pour. Remember to scrape down the sides of the bowl and your dough is done when it looks smooth and shiny. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and then take a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper and begin brushing the paper lightly with water. Transfer your choux dough into a piping bag, and if you don't have a piping bag, not to worry, you can use a Ziploc baggie and cut the corner off. Make sure it's fully packed in, squeeze any excess air out of the bag, give the end a twist, and you're ready to go. Begin piping out 2-inch mounds about 3 inches apart from each other. Dip your finger in some water and lightly pat down the points on each pastry. Brush the pastries with an egg wash made with 1 egg and a splash of milk. Then pop them in the oven for 20 minutes, then drop the heat to 350 and bake for 10 to 12 minutes more. And voila! They're done. Set aside to fully cool. I like to drizzle a little chocolate on top of the cream puffs, so let me show you a super simple chocolate ganache. Mix 1 cup of heavy cream with 1 12-ounce bag of chocolate chips, adding it in intervals until fully incorporated. When the chocolate mix begins to thicken and the color darkens from a milk chocolate to a deep dark chocolate, you're ready to pull it from the heat. Now for my super simple pastry cream. Add 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 box of Jello pudding mix. Who knew? Mix on high until you get a whipped cream with stiff peaks. All your hard work is about to pay off. Now split open your cold pastries with a small knife. Wow, look at the pockets of air, perfect for that yummy pastry cream. Continue opening the rest. Fill each cream puff with about 2 tablespoons of pastry cream. And don't be shy, more is definitely better. Continue filling them and get ready for the big finale. Now here's where we get all fancy with our creations. Drizzle a spoonful of your chocolate ganache all over each pastry, as much or as little as you like. Now, all you have left to do is enjoy them. That, my friends, is your homemade cream puff using Pate A Choux. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I want to wish you and your families a very happy holiday. With love from my kitchen to yours, this is Cooking with Angie.